Namaste everyone. We'll be doing today Vinyasa Yoga Flow. We'll start with our centering practice. Let us sit straight and keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Feel the cool air through your nostrils while inhalation and warm air while exhalation. Keep breathing and relax your mind and body. Now join your hands and inhale, exhale. Have two long breath, long inhalation and exhalation. Let us begin the practice with 3 Omkaras. For that, we'll inhale together. Inhale, long inhalation, and while exhaling, chant Om. Once again, inhale Om. Inhale Om. Feel the humming sound in your brain, and now rub your palms together. Generate some heat. Keep it on your eyes. Relax. Open your eyes slowly. Now we are ready to begin with our warm-up practice. We'll come on our knees and on palms. You can measure like this the distance. Now inhale and raise your right hand and left leg together. Now exhale, touch your elbow to your knee. Inhale, exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, exhale, curve your back, elbow to knee. Inhale, exhale. For last time, inhale. Now let's change the side. Your right leg and left arm. Inhale, exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, exhale, curve your back. Inhale, spread. Exhale, curve your back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, knee to elbow, exhale. Now come on your palms and knees together. Sit back and relax for a while. Now let's start with the second warm-up. Come on your knees and shift to mountain pose. Stay there for a second, relax, and now raise your right leg up as much as you can. Bring the right leg to the front in between the palms. Now bring down your knee and ankle flat to the mat. Look up, raise your leg again, then bring it back to the mountain. Now raise the another leg as high as you can and bring it front to the Ashvasanchalana pose. Take the left leg back again towards the sky, up, and then bring it down back. Continue now, same. Focus on the breathing. Inhale while up, exhale while front. Inhale, take it up, back, and exhale down. Inhale again the left leg up, left leg front, exhale. Inhale, take the left leg up and exhale down. Inhale, right leg up, exhale, right leg front. Inhale, right leg back up, exhale, right leg down. Inhale, left leg up, exhale, left leg front. Inhale, left leg back up, exhale, leg down. Right leg, inhale up, right leg front, exhale. Inhale, right leg up, exhale, bring it down. Inhale, left leg up, exhale, left leg front. Inhale, left leg up, exhale, left leg back. Now slowly bring your knees down and sit back. I'll be demonstrating Sun Salutation A first, and then you can join me in the next round. Stretch your hands up look up, inhale, bring your palms down, try to touch ankles, exhale, spine should be straight, knee can be softly bent, come up halfway, inhale, touch the mat. Now keep both your palms down on the mat, bend your knees, take right leg back, now left leg back, be on the plank. The plank position, your spine should be straight. Slowly bend your elbows, come on low plank, which is Chaturanga, and then slide to the Urdhva Mukha. Touch your toes flat on the mat, knees off the mat, slide to the down dog. Spine long and strong, knees can be slightly bent. We'll take 5 breaths here, and then we'll come back to Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold. Inhale and exhale, forward fold Uttanasana. Come up, Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale, Samasthiti. Exhale. Now join me here, we'll do it together. Samasthiti. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, come up, half forward fold, Ardha Uttanasana. Now bring your palms to the mat, bend your knees and take your both legs back. Chaturanga, exhale, you can touch your knees if you want. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward dog. Exhale, down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. We'll hold here for 5 deep breaths. You can soften your knees here if you need to and hold. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly come front to the Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold. Inhale, look front, keep your spine straight. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Urdhva Hastasana and Samasthiti. Exhale. Second round, Samasthiti. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale, come on your palms, jump if you can, Chaturanga. Exhale, inhale, upward dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha, down dog. Now hold here for 5 deep breaths. Keep your knees soften if required so. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now step or jump to the front. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now third round, let's start. Samasthiti. Inhale, come up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, bring your palms down, knees bend and jump to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, knees off the mat. Exhale, down dog, Adho Mukha. Now let's hold here for 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Try to exhale with the sound. Already 2 breaths. 3. Exhale with the sound. 4. 5. Now come front, jump or step to the front to the half forward fold. Inhale and exhale to the forward fold. Inhale, come up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. One last round, Samasthiti. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, come up, spine straight. Exhale, palms down, jump to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. exhale, down dog. We'll hold again here for 5 deep breaths. Let's inhale and exhale with the sound. Already 3 breaths. 4, 5. Now step or jump to the front. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Come up, look up. Exhale, hands down. Samasthiti. We are done with our sun salutation A. Now come and stand. Open your legs hip width apart. Open your arms and relax. Have long inhalation and exhalation. Try to relax your body now. We are warmed enough and ready for our asana practice. Take all the asanas at your own pace. Do not force yourself. How much you can do, please try. Know the difference between killing yourself and pushing yourself. You just have to do your best. That's all. There's no competition. We are just trying our best. I am doing my best. You are doing your best. Now I'll be demonstrating the next asana. You just stand and watch. This is Veerbhadrasana. Let's begin with sun salutation A. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, Ardhuttanasana. Exhale, bring your palms down on the mat and jump to the Chaturanga or step down. Come to Chaturanga, inhale, slide up to upward dog and exhale, down dog. From here, we will take our right leg front in between the palms and will come up. We'll bend our right knee. It should be straight in a line. Knee and ankle should be in one line. Then slowly we will raise our hands up and will hold to this pose for 5 to 10 breaths. After 10 breaths, we will come down back and then we will come to the next asana from Chaturanga, upward dog, down dog. Take our right leg once again front and then come to Ardha Chandrasana. For that, again same position like warrior pose, and then try to lift your left leg up and extend your arms front. If you are not comfortable, you can even join your hands like in Namaste Mudra. Then slowly keep your palms down, your leg down and both the legs back. Again Chaturanga, upward dog, exhale, down dog, and then from the other side we'll repeat the same. So let's join here, we'll do it together now. Let's begin with the downward dog. Come on your knees and on your toes now. From here, you take your right leg front in between your palms and come up to stand, Veerbhadra position. Raise both of your hands up, inhale and exhale. Stay in the pose for next 5 breaths. Keep your front knee bent and try to bring your hip down as much as possible and keep your down as much as possible. Already 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring both of your palms down. Take your right leg back. Go to Chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, slide to upward dog and exhale to the down dog. Now take your right leg again front for the next asana. Inhale, bring your right leg in between your palms and come up. Now shift your weight to your right leg and try to lift your left leg and bend to the half. Try to hold the position for 5 long breaths. Now focus and gaze at a point and try to balance. Extend your arms front and hold in the pose for long 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly keep your left leg back and your palms to the heart center. Come down to Chaturanga. Inhale, slide to upward dog. Exhale, come to the down dog. Now we will repeat the same from the left leg. Bring your left leg in between your palms. Come up to Veerbhadrasana. Your left knee is bent and your right knee is straight. Join your hands to the heart center. Inhale and raise both of your hands. Stay in the pose for 5 breaths again. 1, 2. Focus on your breathing. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Push your hips down as much as possible. Already 3, 4 and 5. Bring your palms down and take your leg back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. And hold for a second. Breathe here. Now we'll repeat the same from the other side. Bring your left leg to the front, in between your both the palms. Come up to Veerbhadra. Now shift your weight to the left leg, right leg up and bend half. Try to balance here. Now slowly bring your palms front and hold in the pose for another 5 breaths. Here try to balance. If you fall in between, it's okay. You can come up and stand again. Try to gaze at a single point for a better balance. Slowly bring your right leg down and bring both your palms down. Bend to Chaturanga. Exhale and slide to upward dog. Inhale. Exhale to the mountain pose and relax. Now slowly bring down your knees and sit back to the child pose and relax for few deep inhalation and exhalation. You have done so far so good. Keep your spirit up and be prepared for your next asana. We'll take it up very slow. Easily you can follow along with me. So let's start together. Sit back, come on your knees and then we'll start from down dog. Come into down dog. Now inhale, raise your right leg up, bring it front, exhale. Now either you stay on your palms or you come down if you are comfortable on your elbows. Keep your left knee straight and right knee bent. Try to hold in the pose. If you are not comfortable here, even you can bring down your left knee down and your ankle flat on the mat like this. Keep breathing in the pose. Then slowly you can come on your palms back. Bring your knees down and now come to elbow plank. We'll be holding in elbow plank for another 10 to 15 seconds. Don't forget to breathe. Keep inhale and exhale. Hold from your abs and stay in a straight line. Here, as I couldn't see myself, my hips are little up. You have to bring it little more down. Just 1 inch more down it should be. Then you hold in the pose. Your shoulder and hip should remain in same line. That is how you come to know about the right plank position. Bring your knees down and come on your palms and come to the plank. From here, take Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, slide up to upward dog and exhale to the down dog. Now from here, take your right leg back again, up, inhale, exhale, bring it front in between the palms. Keep your left knee down and toes down flat on the mat. Come up, make sure in the position your knee and your ankle should be in straight line. If your leg is back, bring it front by pulling it. Now inhale, raise both your hands up. Arch your back as much as you can and stay in the Hanumanasana. Hold in the pose. Don't forget to breathe. Keep breathing. Don't hold on your breath. Hold on pose. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly bring your neck straight. Bring your palms down on the mat. Lift your left leg and right leg to the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, slide up to upward dog. Exhale, slide back to down dog. And take 2 deep breath here. Slowly come on your knees and sit back in child pose, Shashankasana. Here you relax. You have done so far so good. You were absolutely great. Now we'll be performing all 3 asanas from the other side. Come back to down dog. From here you join me. Raise your left leg, inhale. While exhaling, bring it front outside the palms. Keep your right leg flat on the mat and come on your elbows. Hold on the lizard pose. If you're not comfortable, you can come back on your palms. If you're comfortable, continue being in the same position. If you're further more confident, you can then come up on your toe, your right toe. Hold in the position for 5 deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Have a smile on your face. Don't forget breathing. Deep inhalation and exhalation. You are doing great. Hold on. Slowly come on your palms back. Take your left leg back and come on either knees or directly on plank, which is elbow plank. Lower yourself and be on your toes and your elbows. Stand in elbow plank. Bring little more your hips down. Your hip and shoulders should be aligned in the same line. Hold in the pose. Don't forget to tuck in your tummy. Hold on your tummy and squeeze as much as you can. All the stretch you will feel in your core. That is how our core works. It strengthens our core muscles. Now slowly you can come on your knees and on your palms and shift back to plank and exhale, come to Chaturanga. Inhale, slide up to upward dog and exhale to the mountain pose. Have deep inhalation and exhalation here. Now inhale, raise your left leg back, up, exhale, bring it in between the palms once again. Now come up to the Hanuman pose. Inhale, arch your back as much as possible and try to push your hip down as much as you can. Balance here. Long inhalation and exhalation. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly bring your palms down. Exhale, come on your palms, tuck your toes and shift to Chaturanga. Exhale, inhale, slide back to upward dog and then exhale back to down dog. Now hold in the pose for 1 deep breath. Then slowly bring down your knees and sit back to child pose, Shashankasana. Rest here. Take deep inhalation and exhalation. Relax your body, relax your thigh muscle, relax your arms and your palms. Stay there in the pose for another 2 to 3 deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You are doing too good. I appreciate your continuity. Now we will be moving to the next asana. You be seated here in Vajrasana. Meanwhile, I'll be demonstrating you our next series. Once I finish this, we will be doing it together once again. So watch here. Bring your feet front and sit back. Lift your feet up and bend your torso towards your right. While taking support or without support, you can hold on to the pose and then same to the left side. 5 to 10 breath we'll be holding the same pose for. Then we will be coming back to our down dog From down dog, we will be doing the another pose. The same way we'll cross our legs and either jump or step to the front. Open both our legs 2 to 3 feet apart. Raise both our hands up and move towards your right feet first, holding your right leg, bending your torso. We'll turn back towards our left and holding the left feet in the same way. We will stay in the position for 5 to 10 deep breath, followed by Vinyasa, Chaturanga, upward dog and down dog. From here, we will be joining together. Let's join me here. Come on your knees, then slowly come back to down dog and jump to the front. Let's start with our first asana, which is Naukasana. Lift both your feet up. Keep bending your knees. Turn your torso towards your right and stay. Keep your spine straight and neutral. Hold in the pose for 5 deep breaths. Already 3, 4, 5. Now shift towards your left. Inhale, exhale. Don't forget your breathing. Don't hold on breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly you can come front and keep your both the feet on the mat. Cross both your legs and go back to down dog. Exhale to the down dog. Now inhale, a deep inhalation here, then slowly cross your legs again and jump back to front. Let's open our feet for the next Upavishta Konasana. Yes, inhale, raise your hands up, turn your torso towards your right and exhale, bend to your front. Keep your spine straight. You can soften your knee. Let the other leg also be active. Let it be on the mat. Don't lift your left leg. As you exhale, try to push little more front and try bending more and more. On every exhalation, you push from your lower back to the front. Then slowly inhale and come up. Exhale, turn towards your left side, hold your left toes and stay there. Exhale and from your lower back, push little more towards your thigh. Try to touch your chest to your thigh. Don't roll your back. Keep your spine straight. Keep bending little more, low and low as much as possible for you. If not, you can keep your palms beside your leg also. And don't miss your breathing. Now inhale and come up. Now exhale and relieve your hands. Relieve your legs. You can go back to Chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, slide up to upward dog. Exhale, slide back to down dog. Stay in the pose for a while. Then slowly jump back to the front or step back. Sit back. Now I'll be demonstrating you our next asana. Meanwhile, you can just sit and watch. Then we'll be doing it together. We'll be doing Setubandhasana, which is bridge pose. For this, you need to lie down on your back. Bring both your heels to your hips and then slowly lift your hips as much as you can. If you want, you can interlace your fingers and hold in the pose for 10 deep breaths. Then we will be spreading our both the arms to the Markatasana. Here bend your knees and bring down towards your right elbow. Your knees will try to touch to elbow and both of your shoulders will remain on the ground. Now the same will repeat to the left side. You can use your hand to push your knees down and let both your shoulders remain on the mat. We'll come out of the pose after this. So let us do it together. You join me back. Come back, lie down on your back. fold both your knees. Bring your heels closer to your hip as much as possible. Now lift your hips up. Push your hips up as much as you can. Try to push little more up, little more, force little more up, and hold in the pose. You can even interlace both your fingers to make it much more straight. Try to lift it up and inhale, exhale. Don't hold your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Bring your hips down, back. Now spread your arms and lift your knees up. Let the knees fall next to your elbow and let both your shoulders remain on the mat. Initially, you may find it little difficult, but don't worry, slowly with the practice, it happens very smoothly. It is very good for your digestion system and to remove your back strain as well. Hold in the pose. You can support your knees using your right hand. Already 5 breaths done. Lift both your legs and now bring your knees towards your left elbow. Look towards your right and keep both your shoulders touching to the ground. Stay in the pose. Inhale, exhale. Don't forget breathing. Don't hold on breathing. Keep inhaling and exhaling. You are doing too good. Keep on going on. Just little more. Now slowly you can bring back your knees and bring them down. Straighten your legs. You are done with your today's practice. Yes, we are at Shavasana now. Feel comfortable, lie down straight, adjust yourself if you need to do that, and relax. Relax your both arms, your feet, your entire body. Try to touch your back to the mat. Try to remove the arch in your back. Relax. You have done great today and you will be keep doing it. Promise to yourself. You have to come on the mat every single day, at least 5 days in a week. If you keep practicing yoga, you will definitely see soon its good results. Now let's try to focus on your breath. Some deep inhalation and exhalation. Try to feel the cool air passing through both your nostrils while inhaling and the warm air passing out through both your nostrils while exhaling. Keep observing the breath and feel the difference before and after the yoga practice. Let your mind and body relax. Let the thoughts come and go from the mind. It's completely natural. Don't try to stop on your thoughts. Let them flow easily. Just relax. Just breathe in and breathe out. You have done so good today that the whole day will be full of energy and peace. You will enjoy your day. Your body will thank you. For now, you thank your body to keep supporting you throughout your practice. Let us show some gratitude towards our practice, towards our body, and towards our health. We support each other and grow. You help your body to stay calm and active. Your body will support you to stay healthy and happy. Now let us focus on each part of our body. Let's relax your toes, your ankles and your calves. Relax your knees, relax your thighs, relax your hip muscles. Relax your core and your lower back. Relax your spine. It supported you throughout your practice. Relax your chest, your arms, your shoulders. Relax your muscles. Relax your elbows. Relax your wrist and your palms. Just relax. Now gradually turn your head towards your right, turn it towards your left, and relax your neck. Relax your facial muscles, relax your eyes and your head. Now slowly take both of your hands towards your head up with a deep inhalation. Bring your toes together. Stretch your arms up and stretch your toes. Feel like you just woke up from your deep sleep. Relax. Now slowly turn your body towards your right. Make the pillow of your right arm and bring your knees close to your chest. Just take 2 to 3 deep breaths here. Then slowly, with your palm support, just come up to sit. Sit in Sukhasana or any comfortable pose. Let your eyes be closed and try to sit in Sukhasana. Now keep your palms in Chin Mudra on your knees and relax. You have done a great job today. You must appreciate yourself for this and try keep practicing every single day. Now let us show some gratitude towards our practice. Let's join our palms to the heart center and we will end up our session with 1 Omkara and 3 Shantis. Let's inhale together. Inhale. Om. Shanti. 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 Let's rub our palms and generate some heat. Place your palms on your eyes, on your face, and run your palms on your body from top to your toes. Now bring your palms to your eyes. Slowly blink and open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I thoroughly enjoyed practicing with you and I hope you too enjoyed. Hope see you soon back on the mat together with me.